everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ify Update. Today I want to break down a very common problem people face on LinkedIn while trying to verify their account. Sometimes you get this message: you have already submitted a request, please try again later. And no matter how many times you try, the page would let you upload your ID again. This thing can be very frustrating, but don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix it. We need to understand the root cause of this problem. LinkedIn uses a company called Personal Verify Identity. Once you start verification, your request is logged in on LinkedIn server and logged until you finish reviewing it. That's why the system tells you already submitted. It is not necessary that your phone is your phone's fault. It is LinkedIn saying, hold on, we are checking your last submission. But here is a trick. Sometimes your device or browser make things worse. Your cache or your cookies might still load the old page instead of refreshing to the latest status from LinkedIn. So even if LinkedIn is reading, your device could keep showing old error because it is stocked with outdated data. So here is how to fix it. Here is how to fix this problem. Firstly, for me to fix it, I'm going to be using another app to explain this thing because I don't currently have LinkedIn here. I've deleted my LinkedIn. So now I'm going to use an app to explain how we are going to clear it. Let's assume that this app here is my cache. Let's assume that this app here is my cache. I'm going to tap it, hold it for long. Okay, which app am I going to use? Let me use this Radio FM. I'm going to hold it for long. You will see app information. This circle up here, click it. You will see app information, and then you will see clear data. This is what we mean. Come and clear it here. You see clear cache. You're going to clear it, and then if you're using browser, if you are somebody that is using browser, this is what you are going to do. You come to the browser. Let me say I'm using Chrome for this thing. You come to the browser, you double click it, or you hold it. You understand? You see app information, you click it as well. You see clear data. When you clear data, you click clear data, you're going to see clear cache. That's how we're going to clear it. Alright guys, so let's continue. If you cleared it and it is not fixed, this is the second method you're going to use to make sure it brings out the new data. This is the second method you're going to use, which is switching your environment. What do I mean by switching your environment? Websites like LinkedIn track your session ID and sometimes your device type, IP address or browser. If you keep retrying in the same environment, LinkedIn thinks, oh, it is the same session, still blocked. Do you understand? But if you switch device or browser, LinkedIn sees it as a brand new environment, which can sometimes refresh the verification process for you to be able to upload your ID. Then this is the practical step we are going to follow for them to bring out the new session for us. If you're on a LinkedIn mobile app, switch to browser. That's to say, if the last time you logged into your account, you used the mobile app to verify your account, then switch to browser. Do you understand? I don't know if you're understanding me. If you're using app before, then try using browser this time. Do you understand? Number 2, if you are using mobile to do it, try logging to your laptop or desktop. It's going to bring it out, even though you cannot upload your ID using your desktop, but it's going to bring out that new environment. Or you can try using another device. Again, you just switch to a different browser. Understand? If you're using browser, you can just switch to Chrome, Firefox. Just try to use another browser. This forces LinkedIn to create a new session, and sometimes it bypasses this cache error. Now, I need to be honest with you guys. If your verification is still pending on LinkedIn server, no matter how many times you clear your cache or even switch device, you still need to do you still see the same error. That because the blog is on your site. In that case, you have two options. It's either wait for 24 to 72 hours for LinkedIn to finish reviewing it. If it takes long, go to LinkedIn Help, and I'm going to post the link in this video on the description, the place you're going to get help from LinkedIn. And also in my next video, I'm going to explain how to fill in the form, because there are so many forms or link you're going to use to get LinkedIn to listen to you immediately. So guys, this is another trick I found out. If you upload your details here, try to also fill the form, which I'm going to explain in the next video on how to fill it. That will make LinkedIn to lift your restriction. So here is the conclusion. Let's recap the conclusion on how to bypass this error. First of all, you clear your cache and cookies to remove all data. Second, you switch device or browser to create a fresh session. If nothing works, be patient or contact LinkedIn support directly. We're understanding not just what to do, but also why it works. You'll be better prepared to handle this problem. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also comment on the next video you would like me to work on. If you'd like me to work on permanent restriction, you comment I'd like you to work on permanent restriction, or any other thing you would like me to explain. I am all available. Thank you. Bye.